Here I have XIAOMI Mi 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So to do this, you just have to go to the upper bar here, and here you can find this option, reading mode. Tap on it once and you can enable this mode, and by holding your finger on it you can also access some of its settings. Here you can also switch it. Here you can change its color temperature, and you can also add a schedule for this mode. For example, you could set it to good night's read. It will turn off after sunset and till the sunrise, or you can just set your own custom period. Here you can select the start time, and here you can select the end time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.